Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix Poco Launcher is not responding on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on show system services if this option is available. Just search Android System Web View. Now from here, tap on Android System Web View. Now from here, tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear All Data. Now from here, tap on OK. Now from here, tap on Uninstall Updates and tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just search Google Play Services. Now from here, tap on Clear Data and tap on Manage Space. Now from here, tap on Clear All Data. Now from here, tap on Delete. Now once you have done that, tap on Uninstall Updates. Now from here, tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just search Poco Launcher. Now from here, tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear All Data. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now from here, just press and hold the power button to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, swipe down to reboot your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to finish rebooting and to fix the Poco Launcher not responding issue. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. And this is how you can fix the Poco Launcher not responding issue on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.